Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable immersive mode on PICO for Ultra. You can see the immersive mode on the dock here, and you can just click on it and it will either switch to the see-through mode or to the immersive mode. And you can also change the picture that's in immersive mode, and in order to do it, go to Control Center, then Settings, then go to Virtual Environment, and now here you can choose different ones from featured ones, from more by downloading them, or AI generated. I'm gonna choose the summer one, and you can see that it changes immediately. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.